Hey YouTubers, Mr. Tech and Stuff back at you with another video. Got an unboxing of two accessories for the OSMO action camera. I've got the vlog cage, OSMO action vlog cage, by a company called Ulanzi, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm not sure if I am. We've got a 6800 milliamp hour power bank grip. So this is like a grip. If you hold it, then you'll have the camera on top of here. It also features, well, let me go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and unbox it for you. Pretty nice packaging. And I guess this model is just called for the cage. It's the OA-1. And for the power bank grip, this is the BG2. Excuse my finger. Slammed it in the car door. Don't ask me how I did that. I'm actually filming from the OSMO action camera now. I have it hooked up to an app to my smartphone here. As you can see, I can look in here, and this is like a monitor of what I'm, sort of like a monitor of what I'm seeing, which is pretty nice. So let's get to the unboxing. I'm going to open up the cage first. Oops, let's fell down. Okay, right here we've got a type of little, I think these are called Allen wrenches, I believe. If I'm not sure. Comes with, got two screws. Oh, this feels very nice. This is metal right here. This is metal, probably aluminum. Definitely gonna have the camera inside of here. Feels very protected. Oh yeah, can't even bend that. Very nice. We've got a like GoPro style little piece right here. Put this on top of here. Put this like right here, and you can mount it. This is the mount, one of the mounts. This is a mount right here. I don't know if you can see that. That goes on the bottom there. You got a cold shoe at the top here, and you've got a cold shoe on the side over here. Okay. Alright, I guess I'll take this right here, set this aside. Whoa, stuff just wants to drop and stuff just wants to fall away from me. Put that to the side over here. Now let's get to the power bank grip. Okay, I need to get a knife. Then I want to destroy the box. Not for right now anyway. I have to take it back, might be something wrong with it. Comes with some documentation in Chinese. I can't read that. Okay, there we go on the back. Okay, English. All right. Just some avoid water and wet locations. Okay, cool. I'm glad I know that now. That to the side. Let's just get to this out of there. That feels nice in the hand. That feels very nice in the hands. That's what she said. Anyway. Comes with a little USB Type-C for charging. Again, you can put this right here. Put this there. You can charge it with this. Hook it up to your wall outlet or your... Okay, let me see if I got my room's a little junky. Oh, where's that thing at? Yeah, you can hook this up to one of these here. This is a 30,000 milliamp hour portable charger that I purchased. Do like this, charge it this way. Okay. Or Okay. Okay, I didn't see this right here. You can, this connector right here. Hook that. Didn't see that connector. You got USB right there. Then you can power whatever. Let's see if I can, see if this thing has any juice in it and try to power my oh, that's right. That's, oops, that's an apple. It does feel like some quality here. You can take your camera, put it on top of here like this. Okay, cool. Like that right there. You can have this going into here. And then this up, charging whatever you have up here. In my case, the OSMO action camera. Show you a picture of it in the box. Oops, my bad. Here we go. This is just the box at the OSMO. I just got this camera, so that's what I'm filming on. Right there, that's the OSMO action camera. Yep, this is nice. Oh yeah. Excellent vlogging. Right from this. Oh yeah. Put the camera in here, and that's definitely when I'm gonna put my camera, my OSMO action camera inside of here, well protected. And you'll be able to still access all of the ports of the OSMO action camera from this side over here. From this side, because this is open right here, versus the case that comes with the OSMO action camera, which is you can't access. You have to take the whole case off to get to the if you want to take the SD card out, and if you want to yeah, if you want to take the SD card out. So all right, this has been unboxing. Put this back over here of the Ulanzi vlog cage and the power bank grip by ulanzi or something like that, whatever that is. Well, hope you enjoyed my video. Until then, the next time, comment, like, subscribe, share to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching.